Hi, my name is Nick G and I am one of the master technicians here at Affinity Truck Center. And today I wanted to let you know about our 150,000 mile and 300,000 mile maintenance packages. Our 150,000 mile package covers all the essentials: DEF filter replacement, 7th injector swap, coolant filter replacement, air dryer cartridge check, fuel tank vent filters, power steering service, and a thorough tune-up. Our 300,000 mile package includes everything that the 150,000 mile package includes, except for instead of doing the tune-up, we'll replace your engine belts. Our 150,000 mile package is $1,440, and that includes your tune-up, while the 300,000 mile package is $1,220, and that is instead of the tune-up, we replace your engine belts. And trust me, it is worth every penny. Regular maintenance is key to keeping you on the road and keeping your truck at maximum performance and keeping those warranties intact. We're here to provide you with a personalized maintenance roadmap tailored to your truck's needs. Please contact our service department to schedule your maintenance package today. And don't worry about downtime. We're here to get your service completed within 24 hours, ensuring quality every step of the way. Give us a call today and let's keep your truck running smoothly mile after mile.